This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 45 Demonstration-XVI. The video delves into event handling in Java, a crucial aspect of interactive applications, through insightful demonstrations and examples. It begins by showcasing the Scribble applet, which allows users to freely draw using mouse events, highlighting the implementation of mouse listener and mouse emotion listener interfaces. Next, it explores mouse and key event handling, demonstrating how to capture and process different types of user input, from mouse clicks to keyboard strokes. The video then presents an event handling applet, illustrating the registration of action listeners for buttons and text fields, leading to the creation of a simple calculator applet using Swing components. Throughout the video, the importance of effective event handling for responsive UI/UX is emphasized, providing key takeaways and techniques essential for building interactive Java applications. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.